Hi guys! For today's video tayo ngayon ay mag-unboxing. So, mayroong dumating na repeat order na Santi Barley. So, ito yung mga laman ng kahon. So, mayroong Santi Barley coffee, mayroong ding Santi Barley juice, at mayroong ding sanitary napkin. For me guys, napakaganda ng Santi Barley Fusion Coffee kasi nga katulad ko, bloated yung tiyan ko. So, napakaganda kasi nilalabas talaga yung hangin natin sa tuwing umiinom tayo ng coffee na to. So, yung benefits nito is to help balance your blood sugar, aid in weight loss, keep your heart healthy, and syempre, increase your intake of vitamins and antioxidants. So, it can support your goal to have a healthy lifestyle. So, guys, ito naman yung Santi Barley powder or juice. So, ito naman yung nakakatulong or it can help prevent many lifestyle diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic health illness. And next is, ito naman yun guys, yung anion panty liner. So, napakaganda to sa pakiramdam guys kapag tayo ay nagsuot nito. So, ang benefits nito is to improve blood circulation, maintain natural pH levels, and syempre support reproductive health. So, napakaganda nito guys isuot kasi napaka-smooth and soft na kung saan ito ay nagbibigay ng komportableng protection during our period. So guys, dahil meron na tayong stock, so syempre hindi na tayo magpatumpik-tumpik. Tayo ay inom ngayon ng barley juice. Ayan, no? Tingnan nyo, guys. So, ilagay lamang, kumuha lamang ng isang basong tubig. And then, ilagay yung isang socket. So, syempre, ubusin natin yan. So, kapag naubos na yan, guys, so, kumuha lamang ng kutsara. Syempre, stir lang natin yan. Yung isa matunaw. Ayan. And then, ready to drink.